I request Rainbow team whether if it is possible, then you can start a center in the Goa. He was just suffering for more than 1 month. We want to go for the ECMO because this was the last option. Every day was very much important for us because it is very difficult to shift such patient actually on ECMO from Goa to Hyderabad. Our child actually he was just suffering for more than 1 month, and because of the great actually team efforts from the this one Rainbow Hospital, that we have achieved this. It's a big achievement for us. I don't have a words to express myself, but rather than I just want to thank all the team of the Rainbow Hospital, Dr. Kapil, Dr. Farhan, Dr. Dinesh, Dr. Anupama, and last but not the least, all the nursing staff. It is very difficult to shift such patient actually on ECMO from Goa to Hyderabad. I just contacted the Rainbow Hospital because we just came to know that they are giving a good facilities, and they came to Goa, and it was a very difficult task. I was not having a brief idea regarding the ECMO. We were there whether we should go for a ECMO or not because my baby was on a ventilator with a high ventilator support, and he was not actually getting better. Even the GMC doctor has told me that this is the maximum we can do, and that is time actually we came to know regarding the ECMO. We want to go for the ECMO because this was the last option. और हमारे पास कुछ option नहीं था. They managed to put a cannula without having much more complication, and my child was safely transported in the Rainbow Hospital. So that was a very important actually. Shifting such a child on the ECMO from Goa to Hyderabad, this is a very important. एक महीने बाद he was on ECMO at least for 28 days. So we were I was just knowing whether he will come out or no. So it was like a मेरे लिए बहुत ये था कि every day was very much important for us. After 29 days he came out from the ECMO. After later on, after 3 days he came out from the ventilator, and presently that he is on oxygen with the low this one oxygen support, because this is I think the first Goan child who is came out from the ECMO, who is came out from the ventilator, and who is doing well. And maybe after few days I think we will be discharged actually.